my name is Sarah Elizabeth, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've been here before, hello, how are you? If you are brand new, first off, I am so grateful to be blessed by your presence and by your willingness. Thank you so much for being here. Just a little bit about me. My name is Sarah Elizabeth, and I like to call this YouTube channel Sarah Elizabeth's Healing Lounge. In the next video, that might change because that's the way it's supposed to be, kind of, sort of. You know, we're always evolving, especially when we're on a spiritual journey and on a healing journey. So what you will find on this channel is spiritual tools to help propel you on your spiritual journey, tools to help you heal, tools to take with you to, support your spiritual mission, your physical mission, whatever that may be, and to go out and share those tools with the world after you commit it to them for some point of time. So if that's your gig, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Be sure to click the little notification bell so you are notified of every video that I make every single week. All right, so I am so excited about bringing you the mantra that really helped me dial into my subconscious mind, to help me clear the path of my subconscious mind, and also get, I guess I would say, more conscious of what I was actually thinking and not thinking, to co-create the reality that I wanted for myself. So I came upon this mantra not last year, but the year before. And I was really serious, like I was clearing the path. I was healing my childhood wounds. I was, trying to heal my marriage. I was trying to become a better mother, and I was making progress, but I noticed like the mind chatter. Like I just could not shut the mind chatter off. I especially noticed this when I knew I believed in myself and I knew I was making progress and I knew my worth and value and all of that good stuff, but it's like my brain wasn't catching up with the truth, if that makes sense. So I would, sit down and, journal write my future, and then, 20 seconds later, my brain was like, oh no, you can't do that, you can't do that, you can't do that. So I started practicing Kundalini yoga meditation taught by Yogi Bhajan. I am so grateful for this technology because it has really opened up doors for me to radically heal and clear the path. And it also opened up a door for me to teach this beautiful technology to other people, because other people are wanting something fast. And I understand that. And so I don't believe in quickness, but I believe what this technology can teach you that will propel you forward if you commit to it. If you have intrusive thoughts, if you just can't seem to control your thoughts, if you are dealing with PMDD like me. So will you go into the luteal phase and let me know if you understand what I'm talking about? When you go into the luteal phase, I remember all the time just waking up and just hearing all of these thoughts. It literally feels like you're reading other people's minds, like 100 billion people's minds, and they're all yours. And you just don't know, you just hear chatter. So one day I got up and I took me a spiritual bath, and I played this mantra to front to end. It was like 11 minutes. And I felt so much better, and all of those negative, intrusive, haywire thoughts radically, miraculously came out of my mind. The mantra that I'm going to be sharing with you today is called the Udharay mantra. And this mantra is Gobinday, Mukanday. So just a little background on this mantra. This mantra, Gobinday, Mukanday, which is also known as the Gutri mantra. It is there to help you clear your subconscious mind. So in our subconscious mind stores absolutely everything that makes us who we are today, that shapes our beliefs, that shapes our perception, and also makes choices for us. And so if we have experienced a positive or negative event in our lives, all of that energy goes into our subconscious mind, okay? And I'm also healing PMDD, so there's something in my subconscious mind that believes that it is sick. Therefore, it is creating that reality for me. So that's why I use this mantra also, to clear out the subconscious mind, to, whatever it believes that we are sick, that there's a dis-ease within our body, and I strongly believe that it works. This mantra is also used to balance both sides of the hemispheres, and if you're just having a erratic day with your thoughts, the Gobinday Mukanday mantra will support you. It will balance you. It will clear out your electromagnetic field. It will just highly, highly serve you. And if you want more detailed information, go to www.3ho.org, where you will learn more about Kundalini Yoga meditation taught by Yogi Bhajan, and more information about this mantra. So before I go into the mantra and the translation of the mantra, I also wanted to bring to awareness of what this mantra also does, and it helps us get compassion and patience for ourselves. And if you are experiencing PMDD, I know and understand how dark that can be. If you're suicidal, I know and understand how dark that can be. If you just are in the pits of non-belief with yourself, I know what that feels like. I deeply connect with you. It's like everything is crashing within you when everything around you seems perfect, and inside it's just not like that. Give me some thumbs up if you understand what that means. And even if you don't, if you're just like, I just want to, have better thoughts, that's cool too. But this mantra gives us inner peace, it gives us compassion, and it gives us patience for ourselves. I believe that any connection within our mind, body, and soul, it's because we're not giving ourselves enough compassion, that we are human, allowing things to come up, seeing things for what they are, and we're not patient with ourselves because based off on what everybody else is doing, it's in a quick, fast, and a hurry, and we think that it's supposed to be like that too. And so we become impatient with ourselves. We become impatient with our journey. And this Gobinday Mukanday mantra will help you get rid of all of that. All right, so let's finally get into the mantra. So I'm going to take a deep breath in and then exhale out. And the mantra goes like this. Gobinday Mukanday, Udharay, Aparay, Hariang, Kariang, Nirnamay, Akamay. Let me do that one more time. Gobinday Mukanday, Udharay, Aparay, Hariang, Kariang, Nirnamay, Akamay. So I'm going to share with you the translation of the Gutri mantra, also known as the Gobinday Mukanday mantra. Sustaining, liberating, enlightening, infinite, destroying, creating, nameless, desireless. I love the translation of this mantra so very much because it really does pierce through my soul. It really resonates with me. It really connects me to something bigger than myself. And I feel like it's reminding me who I am, who created me, and reconnecting me to this power. I'm creating these I am destroying these subconscious thoughts that's not making me feel good, or it's not keeping me on task of where I'm supposed to be going on my destiny. And I'm creating a bed, a fresh bed of soil in my mind to have thoughts that support me. I am enlightening. I am liberated. I am a sustaining source because I know who sustains me. So that's just my take of the mantra and how it really deeply moves me. And in order to really connect and to really experience the power of this mantra, I want to encourage you to commit to this mantra for at least 21 days. I promise you, I want to say by day 5, I was just like, what am I thinking? I'm not even thinking anything. And when you do find yourself in that miraculous moment of like, oh, I'm not thinking anything, that's where you want to start using your affirmations, because now your subconscious mind is clear, your conscious mind is clear. And that is a perfect opportunity for you to plant new seeds of affirmations in your mind so you can, really manifest and really co-create the life that you deserve, and also bring in and call in your healing. Now, I want to encourage you to listen to this mantra first thing in the morning, because first thing in the morning, you're still in that theta state where you're conscious but not fully conscious. And this is the perfect time to listen to that mantra, okay? And then you want to listen to it before you go to bed. So you want to put your earphones in or just play the song in the background, how many times you want to, and just let it go into your subconscious mind to really work and to really clear things out. And also keep a journal of what you're experiencing and what you're feeling. I'm telling you, this will support you if you journal your spiritual awakening, healing journey, whatever journey that you're on. So how do you learn the mantra? Well, first off, it took me 1 year to learn the mantra, okay? Like, I can say it on top of my head now. But the reason why I learned, or the way that I learned is through music. And that's why I love the Kundalini Yoga meditation community so much, because with this technology, it really invites your mind, your body, and your soul into the practice, and they use mantras connected to music to help you kinesthetically, neurologically remember the words through movement, through chanting, whatever the case may be. So I'm going to include 2 songs in the description box so you can add it to your playlist, so you can listen to it every single day and allow this beautiful mantra to freaking heal you. So that is all that I have for you today. I pray that this video has deeply supported you. If it has, let me know in the comment box below. Also, I want to hear about your journey, like, the first time, the second time, the third time. Even if you're hiccuping, that's completely fine. When I was learning this mantra, I only knew the first 2 words, Gobinday, Mukanday. And I was just like, I'm just gonna have to learn everything else. And I used to be frustrated, but at the same time, I'm like, wait a second, this is not what this is about. So remind yourself that this is not about getting it perfect the first, 5 times. This is about growing, and this is about healing, and this is about becoming your true identity, or reclaiming your true identity. So hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and just let me know how this video has supported you. Thank you so much. And we're going to close this video with the ending chant, which is Sat Nam, and it basically means the same thing as Namaste. Your truth is also my truth, and my truth is your truth also. So let's take a deep breath in, exhale out. Sat Nam.